So this is why. So they said Krishna because they saw the trees as Vaishnavas. They're not loving friends and trees that you're growing in your yard or in your house plants. You're talking to and singing to, and they're growing so nicely. But they're Vaishnavas. Only Vaishnavas appear in this Brajadam in various forms, covered consciousness and uncovered consciousness and different kinds of consciousness. And they're saying, "Oh, you're Vaishnavas." So, what is the name? What is the name that moves the Vaishnavas? What is the name that Vaishnavas cherish the most? And that word is Krishna, at least according to the Gaudiya. That's one reason. Another point we've been seeing in the last 9 verses of chapter 30, because the whole chapter is called Rasa Krita Krishna Vesana, which means gopis search for Krishna, is that basically they're desperate, and in their desperation, like sometimes you may lose something in your own house. You misplace something, and at first you're a little casual about it. Oh, where is it? And it's here or there. Oh, where is it? And then pretty soon you work yourself up into a crescendo. I mean, some people, not all. Some people, they work themselves up into a crescendo, a climax, and they get really rajasic about it, passionate. Where is it? I know it's here, and I know it has to be here. I have to find it. And they become possessed by the desire to find that lost wallet or that lost lipstick or whatever it is. And they're searching everywhere. And that they're becoming desperate. And maybe even throw a tantrum. Throw everything around. No? Yes? Happens. No? So that's called asakti. It's called a misplaced asakti. Your attachment is in the wrong direction. The gopis aren't attached to their clothing, their earrings. They put one kundali on their earring and not the other one, and put their necklaces on their waist and their waist on their ankle, waist belts on their ankles. So they're not the least attached to their clothing or makeup or anything. And they're not desperate about it. If they lose it or it falls off or they don't even care. But if they lose sight of Krishna for an animesha means a blink of an eye. Blink of an eye, they cry. If they can't see Krishna for the blink of an eye, they cry.